How to set communication limits on iPhone. Before you begin, make sure screen time is enabled on your iPhone. Then open the Settings app and tap Screen Time. Next, scroll down and select Communication Limits. If you haven't already set up screen time, follow the on-screen instructions first, then return to this menu. You'll now see options for during screen time and during downtime. Tap during screen time and choose who you're allowed to communicate with while screen time is active. You can allow everyone, contacts only, or contacts and groups with at least one contact, depending on your preferences. If you want stricter controls during downtime, tap during downtime and choose whether communication is allowed with specific contacts or everyone. Once you've selected your preferred options, your changes are saved automatically, and the new communication limits will take effect based on your screen time settings. That's it! You've successfully set communication limits on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, screen time tutorials, and easy iOS guides.